You can easily back up all your apps, photos, messages, settings, unlimited data, and after reset, once again restore everything on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G on Xiaomi HyperOS without any third-party app and by using just one process. We're gonna take a backup, save it on our external drive or computer, and then we're gonna erase our phone, and lastly, we will restore every data from there to our Xiaomi once again. So first, let's see the backup process. Open up Settings, from there to About Phone, scroll down for Backup and Restore. As you can see, you can take backups by several ways. From the exact mobile device or computer, process is exactly the same, or you can take backups from the Xiaomi Cloud and through Google as well. Although these last two options have data limit for free backups. So in our opinion, backup through mobile device is the best and quickest option. So let's enter the service. If you're prompted, put down your screen lock. And here, just check which data you want to backup. Except for images, all the other options have subcategories. Just tap on them to show. From where you can deselect options that you do not need to take backups. When you're done, just hit the backup button. This might take a while depending how much data you are backing up. You can see the progress right on our screen. When it's completed, just tap on this Finish button. If you're prompted, put down your screen lock. In the Restore section, your backup history will show up. Also, if you open File Manager, go to the Storage section and scroll down, search for the MIUI folder, enter, you'll see a backup folder. Inside, there is an all backup folder, and inside that folder is a zip file of your backup. Now, you might have backed up your device before resetting your phone. So now, by the help of a pen drive or hard drive, select the zip file and either move or copy them to your external storage device. If you got a computer connected to your Xiaomi, just make sure data transfer is enabled and you can save that zip file to your computer from the same source. Now, after that, now you can safely erase or reset your Xiaomi without any tension because you already have a full backup of all the data. Now, once the reset is done, now let's see how to restore everything that you've backed up. So from the setup mode, follow the prompts and just set up your device normally. Now, once the setup is completed, just plug in the storage device to your Xiaomi where all of the backup files are stored. And then, from its location, just copy or move and paste it to exactly the same folder where you have copied the backup files from. Now we'll see how to restore it. So from Settings, go to About Phone once again, to Backup and Restore to Mobile Device. Now we're going to explore the Restore section. Now if you have pasted the proper files to their correct location on Xiaomi, your backup files history will show up in the Restore section. Just tap on it. You can deselect whatever file you do not need to restore. And then just tap on this Restore button. If you have backed up and restored all data, you'll see the apps, device modes, phone settings, everything is restoring live in front of your eyes, then and there, and immediately being applied to your Xiaomi. When it's done, just hit Finish, and you'll see all the backed up files, settings, history is restored perfectly back on your Note 14 Pro once again. And that's how simple you can do that. Thanks for watching.